Hi guys, how's it going? So this is a new video concept I've come up with called 3-Minute Thursdays, and it will basically allow me to make a lot shorter videos that are straight to the point about very specific topics. And obviously in today's video I'm going to be looking at what kind of settings and extensions I have installed on Visual Studio Code to make my life as a web developer a lot easier.
So here I am now inside of VS Code, and if you're on a Mac you press Command and comma. On Windows, I'm not sure what you press to open up your user settings, but basically I have a object here that's just full of information that you kind of just plonk this in, hit save, restart Visual Studio Code, and all these settings take effect. So once again, there's a link down below in the description with a gist of this if you want to copy and paste it into your version of Visual Studio Code. And then here on the left, I have my extensions that I'm using. Some of these I am using on a day-to-day basis, so like Material Icon Theme, it's awesome. It changes your default icons in Visual Studio to nicer, more easy on the eye icons. I've got the npm IntelliSense working, so it can pick up when I'm writing npm commands in the terminal. I've got tslint, so that's going to be picking up my TypeScript code. I've got ESLint, which is picking up my JavaScript code. I've got Beautify, which helps me make my code. If I'm writing it and I'm not formatting along the way, I can just sort of select it at the end and make the file nice and formatted and make the code print out beautifully. I've got something to help me with typing in Angular, because that's the main framework that I develop in. I've got this theme Dracula Official that kind of makes it a bit darker. But again, the amount of extensions that are out there for Visual Studio Code are immense. Just give it a quick Google. I'm sure you'll find some awesome stuff out there.
So thanks a lot for watching. If you have any ideas for a video, then please leave me a comment down below. I've also linked the gist on GitHub if you want to go and copy and paste my settings and a list of the extensions that I use so you can get started and make your life in Visual Studio Code a lot easier. And thanks for watching.